Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the topic HTTP and HTTPS Transfer Protocol, Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. So HTTP works on the application layer, whereas HTTPS work on the transport layer. With the help of these protocols, informations of particular website is exchanged between web server and web browser. Okay. So here are the components of HTTP based system. Okay. First, the client send to the proxy, then server. Let me tell you about the proxy, client and server later. HTTP is a client server protocol. Requests are set by one entity, the user agent, on a proxy behalf of it. Most of the time, the user agent is a web server. Okay, hope you will understand this because this is very smooth like written in soft. Okay, then we have client. The user agent is any tool that acts on the behalf of the user. The browser is always the entity initiating the request. So here what is happened, client is a user agent, is user sending the message to the browser request, just like I am searching abc.com. I am sending the request through the browser. So this is the client side. I am the client here. Then we have server. A server appears as only a single machine virtually. This is because it may actually be a collection of servers sharing the load. Server is a virtual machine. Okay. Then we have proxies. I have earlier in the diagram we have seen proxies between the web browser and the server. Numerous computers and machine relay the HTTP message. Those operating at the application layer are generally called proxies. Proxies are such as router, switch, load balancer, gateway, firewall. Okay, these all are proxies. Proxies can perform numerous functions such as caching like the history and browser cache, filtering like an antivirus can scan, load balancer to allow multiple servers to serve the different requests, authentication to control the access of different resource, logging allowing storage of historical information. Okay. Then we have difference between HTTP and HTTPS. HTTP protocol and HTTPS protocol both are the stateless protocol. Then URL begins with HTTP, whereas in HTTPS URL begins with HTTPS. HTTP considered to be insecure, whereas HTTPS considered to be secure. As we have searched in any of the website, there is HTTPS, so one of the lock icon also show with that. Okay. Then HTTP works on application layer, whereas HTTPS work on transport layer. Encryption is absent in HTTP. Encryption is present in HTTPS. Does not require certificate in HTTP, whereas HTTPS requires the SSL certificate. HTTP works on port number 80, whereas HTTPS work on port number 443. HTTP itself is a stateless but not sessionless. HTTP itself is a stateless, but cookies allows the use of stateful sessions. For example, using e-commerce shopping basket where we need continuous session. Okay, hope you will understand this topic. If you have any query, any issue, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.